Brian Maxwell checking in here at Lakeshore Chrysler, back out in Slidell again. One of the things I want to talk about today is, you ever hear salespeople or you yourself as a salesperson ever say, man, it's slow, no business is coming in? First thing, let me address something. If you've been in this business for over a year and you're sitting around complaining about how slow it is, this video is really made for you. If you're a green pea, you have a few excuses, but if you've been doing this for a while, there's really no excuse. Let me tell you why. With today's technology, it's made it so much easier for sales professionals to be able to generate business for themselves. It's not even funny. I mean, think about it. The dealership provides the building, they provide you with the inventory, they even pay a staff to process all of your paperwork. What more should a business have to do to help you with your sales business? So you have to first view it and visualize it as a business, because that's what you're running, a sales business within a business. So the first thing you want to think about for your business is, how do you attract clientele? And I'll share another tip with you. People that show up on the lot, national average is about a 22% closing percentage, which means that 10 people show up, 2 will potentially become clients of yours. But when you have self-generated business, that closing percentage goes up as high as 60%. So it will actually behoove you to focus on generating your own business. Now, 2 words that I want to introduce to you, you may be familiar with, but that if you're not, you need to familiarize yourself, which is social selling. Today's consumers feel far more comfortable doing business with somebody they have had interaction with, that they've communicated with, whether it be a message, a post, a thank you, whatever it is. The more familiarity a customer has with you prior to coming in, it increases the likelihood of you being able to close that deal. So I'm gonna share a few platforms for you where, if you aren't already using them, you may wanna think about it. Number 1 is Instagram. Instagram has millions and millions of people on there sharing everything from pictures to vacations, sometimes just positive quotes. But people go to Instagram for information, to see images. Imagine if you took an image of 1, maybe 2, 3, 4, even 5 vehicles on a daily basis, whether it be spiff vehicles that you have specials on, brand new units you just got in, whatever it is. But you take pictures of them, and periodically throughout the day, you post up the image with a small caption saying, good credit, bad credit, no problem, come see me. I'm here today, my email is, my telephone number is. Think about Facebook. Facebook is the largest social media site in the world, with something like 2 billion people using it. Well, out of those 2 billion, imagine how many thousands are within your city, not just thousands within your city, but thousands within your city that actually like your product. But closed mouths don't get fed. People have to know where you are. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if they don't know you exist, they're never going to find you. So get on Facebook. And on Facebook, you can actually do searches for people within your city, within a certain radius. And another good thing about Facebook is you have a thing called Facebook ads. It's for as low as $10. You can create an ad or a video for yourself or for the dealership describing what you do, either promoting a product or just promoting your services at your dealership. And you can specialize, specify down to people that are within a certain income bracket, within a certain zip code, that are all looking for whatever product at your dealership. And here's how that works. Google and Facebook work together. So any searches a person does on their phone, their tablet, or their computer, it also feeds that data into Facebook. And that's why when you go to your Facebook page after you were just searching something, there are commercials or different ads that are relevant or similar to the things you were just searching. So Facebook, and it's bigger than just doing a post up once or twice a week. Consistency. People have to begin to know you for what you do. Just like you have your family doctor. Why? Because everybody's been going there, they do good work, sure, reputation's strong. The same thing it is for you when it comes to someone having a transportation problem, looking for a vehicle. You should be the ideal person. Whether they value your brand or not, they should still reach out to you for the help. And the third one is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn has a ton of professionals on there. I call it the Facebook for professionals, but guess what? All of these people drive vehicles. And there's a ton, hundreds of thousands of people are on there that don't work in the automotive business that you can reach out to. But people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So start building relationships through social selling. Meeting up with people, contacting people, and submitting connections and contacts, linking with people in your area. And then before you just start blasting them what you do, look at their pages, find out about them, shoot them an introductory message thanking them for their connection before you just start trying to blast them. Remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So the idea that business is slow, it doesn't have to be. Every day of the week there's somebody looking for a product that you offer. Every day of the week there's somebody driving a vehicle off a dealership. And guess what? Majority of people that show up don't have any intentions on driving anything home that day, but a lot of them do. So you have to begin to identify your business within a business. And yeah, lot traffic should be nothing more than icing on the cake. Learn how to leverage the technology. I train and I give the word tracks, the actual post messages. I give the exact methods to every person I train on how to leverage social selling to drive business to yourself. I have people picking up an extra 15 deals a month, leveraging these simple steps that you can apply in your process at your dealership every day that take you very little time but can bring you great rewards. So I'm going to be sharing that here soon. So be on the lookout for an upcoming webinar I got where I'm going to be going through social selling. How do you drive business to your dealership and close more deals? But other than that, it's never slow. If anything's slow, the person that's working is slow, because there's business always available, but you just got to know where they are and go find them. So again, Brian Maxwell, I look forward to seeing you at the dealership.
Doesn't it suck sitting at the dealership waiting around for a customer to walk in? How would you feel if you knew you could sell 20 cars and make $10,000 every month? Imagine having 15 to 20 people coming in every month expecting to buy from you. What if you could find qualified buyers and drive them into the dealership looking for your help buying a vehicle? There are people in your area who love your brand and are ready to buy a vehicle. How do you make it easier for them to find you? If you'd like to uncover how to get 15 to 20 buying customers into your dealership every month and start making some real money, I invite you to join Brian Maxwell as he gives 3 ways to sell cars using social media. Prospecting for people with the potential to purchase. PPPPs. Brian Maxwell shows sales professionals nationwide how to market and make money selling cars. Brian's philosophy is simple. Selling is fun when it's done the right way. Register for the webinar immediately because this will fill up fast.